If you want to turn off USB access in Microsoft Edge, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is useful if you want more privacy, reduce device access from websites, or simply control what permissions your browser can use. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click the three-dot menu to open the main settings menu. From there, click Settings. Inside the settings page, look at the left-hand sidebar and select Privacy, Search, and Services. This section contains the browser's privacy controls and permission settings. Now, scroll down and find the Site Permissions option, then click it. Site Permissions is where Edge lets you manage what websites are allowed to access, including location, camera, microphone, notifications, and connected devices. Next, look for All Permissions and open that section. This will show you a complete list of browser permissions that websites can request. From this list, find USB devices and click on it. On the USB devices page, you will see the permission control for websites trying to access USB hardware through Edge. To turn it off, simply toggle the setting off. Once it is disabled, websites will no longer be able to request USB device access through the browser unless you enable it again later. That's it. You've now turned off USB access in Microsoft Edge. This is a great way to tighten browser permissions and keep better control over connected devices. If this guide helped you out, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this one.